Bar clamps are a mainstay in every shop, especially the F-style bar clamp. Bessey's new gear clamp is a new take on the F-style design, placing the handle on the rail or bar rather than on the jaw itself. You might not even notice this subtle yet useful change to the classic F-style design, so let's take a look at why the folks at Bessey decided to redefine the design of the F-style clamp. When using F-style clamps against adjacent surfaces, such as on your bench top or against a wall, the handle that tightens the clamp is against the surface, meaning you have to use your fingertips to twist the handle, and this limits the amount of clamping force that you can apply. With the use of a small gear mechanism in the sliding jaw, the turn handle of the Bessey GearKlamp is located on center with the rail. This gives full clearance for your knuckles, allowing a full closed-fisted grip on the handle for turning to apply the maximum clamping pressure. Durable and strong, these jaws are fabricated with a fiberglass reinforced polyamide and have a 2 3/8 inch throat depth. The bar is 3/4 inch hardened, tempered, and burnished steel and supports up to 450 pounds of clamping force. The non-marring fixed jaw pad can be popped off for easy cleaning and to reveal a V-groove for help with centering on round and pointed parts. The jaw is fast-action sliding for closing, and there is a quick release button for opening. The Bessey GearKlamp comes in multiple sizes, so be sure to check out highlandwoodworking.com for the whole line.